Okay, after I've sold my house, right, I have to close the utility account, right? The water is under the JMC, so that one no problem. Once the new owner actually shows the SMP and shows proof there's a new ownership, it will be transferred automatically. What I need to close now is the electricity, TNB, okay? So I'm just going to show you how it's done. Actually, TNB is very efficient. You go to the TNB portal, you can go right down, okay? Hold on, let me just move this up here. Can you see this? Residential. You click on residential, stop electricity. Then start electricity is for open new account, alright? Stop electricity. So it shows you everything, step 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you need to submit the account closing form. Just download the account closing form. You click this, you come out this form, you download the form, and you can bring to the nearest Kedai Tenaga. Okay, pay any outstanding at any Kedai Tenaga or online payment also can, TNB gateway. Okay, then you need to get your final meter reading, get the deposit refund. Deposit refund will be minus off your final charge and then back into your account account of your choosing okay. So is here you can get the form, or you can download the closing form here. Download here. Required documents to close the account is your signed application form, IC copy or passport copy. Okay, this is for individual. My unit, the account is under my name, my individual. So these two only, that's all. I'm going to the nearest Kedai Tenaga, where I sold the property which is in KL, Taman Melawati. Okay. Hi, morning everyone. So after you fill in the TNB account closing form, right, you need to bring this form to the nearest Kedai Tenaga. Mine is in Melawati. So since I sold my property in Kuala Lumpur, the nearest is Melawati. So you may want to check your own. So why you need to bring to the nearest, right? Because in some cases, right, you need to be present when they cut the electricity for your venue. But for my high-rise, I'm not sure, because from my online dashboard, right, I can see that the account is already closed and I've settled everything already. So now there's extra money, because when you open the electricity account, you need to place a deposit, right? So they minus off from the deposit and I got extra money. So in this account closing form, they will also ask you what you want to do with the money. Do you want to transfer to your bank account, or do you want to transfer to another TNB account? I know if you have a lot of properties, or you can transfer that extra deposit, right, to another TNB account. Okay, so I am transferring the deposit to another TNB account. I printed out 2 forms, actually 2 copies, because one, I fill in e-signing, I scared they don't accept. So I printed out another blank form. In case they don't accept, I can fill it on the spot and just submit to them. Okay, so let's go. So you come to this Kedai Tenaga, there's Kedai Tenaga near you, and you go in and you settle Okay, so I'm going in now. I rushed here and there. I forgot to photostat my IC copy. They need 1 copy of your IC, front and back, to pass to them. Okay, so now I'm going to go in nearby stationery shop to photostat my IC. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done. I submitted the form, everything. The whole process takes me about 5 minutes. I come in, fill in the form, I wait. 5 minutes later, it's done. I can go off. Okay, when you come in, right, you have to provide a copy of your IC and also the account closing form. As suspected, the account closing form, they don't accept e-signature, but the other details, right, you can use computer to fill in. Okay, but the signature must be original. So you fill in and then you come and sign at the Kedai Tenaga. Come and sign. Then they will take your IC to do a biometric verification to verify that you are the owner of the account. Then you go to the counter. After the counter there, remember I said that I have to insert the date where I cut the electricity. That is not needed anymore, because the new owner already transferred the name. The new owner came in and transferred the name to her. Then it's okay, it's not needed. This process, right, you can do from anywhere in the country. If this is a straightforward process, if the premise has already been taken over, you sold the premise and the new owner has already taken over, they will refund you the money. And refund also, I mentioned that I want to refund back to my TNB account, right? The lady at the counter actually, she's very nice, Miss Juliana. She actually gave me the advice that it's better if I transfer it back to my bank account, because that extra money will not be used to knock off the bill. It's used to add to the deposit. So no point. Might as well you just get the money transferred to your bank account. And once you're done filling and they collect all the document details already, right? Your bank account details, they will ask you to take picture. So you just take picture as proof that you already submitted that account, form to them, okay, together your account number. They will bank in about 1 to 2 weeks time to your chosen bank account, okay? Another thing, if you are concerned about your documents, your personal documents, you don't have to cross it. You just pass to the DNB staff, they will cross it, they will chop. When at the counter, they will chop. So you just have to make sure that they chop your IC before they actually put it away lah. Okay, that's all. So I think that's all. It's very simple process of how to close your TNB account. I hope it helps. This is Kenny here from Property Stories. I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.